Hey guys, welcome to another video, and we're actually going to be doing another Bee Swarm Part 2. This is sort of like a guide to help you, and I got another YouTuber here, and his channel is called Viper Venue, so make sure to check him out, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And so basically I'm going to be helping you, showing you how to get honey and pollen very, very fast. So I say save up your honey and pollen and get the best, like a honey collector you can. And then once you have the best one, get the best backpack you can get. And try to get all the edibles that you can. So if you see, I have the helmet, the boots, and the fanny pack. And so I'm just going to go find Viper Venue right now and see what he's up to. So let's just go look for him. See, this is how much bees he has. He's really good. I'm just going to check off my challenge here. Ooh, there we go, 50,000 honey. Yeah, another way to get honey very fast is to do challenges. But so yeah, here he is. Yeah, so here he is, and see how he's just like demolishing all these bees? I'm sorry, not bees, monsters. But yeah, so I'm gonna start talking to this guy. So he didn't respond. I think he's talking to the other guy right now. But yeah, let's see if we can become friends with him so we can make more YouTube videos. Let's try this. Let's see if this works, and then we can make more. Ooh, he spawned a bunch of jellies. Oh, but my pollen's full. Oh, he said yeah and tag me. Said, oh wait. I hate Roblox chat. It always gets it incorrect. So I actually am sort of confused right now. I don't know which one is Viper Venue. Oh. Okay, let's see this. Oh, so no dog is Viper Venue. Yeah, okay, so we got that confirmed. But, yeah. So that's good to know. So, basically, like I said, to get stuff done easily, challenges, honey, like how to get honey and pollen, it's challenges and jellies and, you can place magic beans, jelly beans, field dice, gumdrops. Those all help getting it fast. Make sure 100% to do your challenges. I know I've been saying it so much, but make sure to do it. I don't know why he stopped moving. but he just stopped. He said go to my Disc channel called the Vipers. Ooh, I don't have Discord, so I can't. I'll tell him that. Yep, the secret is out, guys. I do upload on my phone. But man, this guy's really good. Oh, these things also help too. Mini converters. You can just stand there. And then bam. It converts all your stuff. Oh, he's recording right now too. Better tell him. I hate Roblox chat. Same. I'll just do same. Bam. So make sure to check out Venue Viper and all of his YouTube videos. And please comment below what you'd like to see more, because I honestly want to know your guys' opinions. But shout out to Viper Venue, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and have a great day. Bye!